understand you're the keynote speaker tomorrow. What is the main theme of your keynote address tomorrow?
I think I have two topics. I have a more general approach as to, let's say, the origins of Islamic law. And an interesting thing that has also been detected now in Malaysia is the Mejele, because the Mejele is an old code which was attempting in the 18th century already to codify Islamic law. And I think Malaysia has detected that to see how they could use and make a religious law which is non-territorial to make it territorial, but there needs to be some work to be done. So that's the more general aspect of it. And the second aspect is, of course, how can you do it in practice? And that I think I will have a closer look to the rule number 11 of the KLRCA I rules, which is not iPhone or something like that, it's Islamic rules. So this was a very good invention and innovative approach also to use the little I, and see how that works and explain the mechanisms and also the particular problems if you have such a mechanism in arbitration, because the problem for an arbitral tribunal is that it has to take a decision itself. It cannot delegate it to some body like the Sharia Advisory Council. And that question of having a body which is not part of the agreement to arbitrate or only indirectly and have an arbitral tribunal apply Islamic law, that is the big challenge of the whole thing. But I think in Malaysia the state courts have already devised the right structures, and I think as often the arbitrators can learn from the state courts, and that is something that I will tell tomorrow.
Well, thank you so much. I look forward to hearing your address tomorrow.
Thank you very much.